Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this random orbital sander, right? Or cordless orbital random sander by Bielmeier. And we're gonna check this thing out. We'll open it up together and see what it looks like. I'll show you guys this side. So here we get some manuals for it. We have a bunch of, wow, kind of a whole lot of discs. There's probably 12 or so discs in there. Here's the device here. Nice. It's got the turning blade, and then I guess it's got the shoot out the goop. Oh, here's the catch for it. There we go. So there, that's on there. Let's see what we got here. We have a charger for it, so we can charge the battery. And box empty now. The only thing on here is the battery. So let's check this out. So this is what the battery looks like. It's a 20 volt lithium ion. It doesn't show you the power status, but let's plug this thing in and see what it's got. So there we are in there. Oh, the battery indicator is over there, I guess, but I'm gonna say it might not have any, but let's see. Oh, it does. So, oh, battery indicator 1. So it's got one on the battery. But let's see. Let's put in a sander. So we have different ones here. This is 100. Let's put in something low. So we have 50s, 120. 50 might be the. Oh, that's 150. 120. 80. Let's see. Is 80 going to be the coarsest we've got? Maybe. Yes. I'm going to put in an 80. Which is pretty coarse. So we'll just stick it on, and I guess the goal is to line up the little holes. I suck at that, but let's see what oh, actually this one's easy. They're all right there. I can see through. I don't know, I guess my other one's just so gunked up I can't see through. And then we have just a little piece of wood here that's got yucky end, and we're gonna try to sand it and see what happens. So I'll aim you guys down a little bit. Doing it in the back of my car, so my car's gonna get gross, but whatever. And let's see, what is this button here? Oh, this is I guess the speed of the orbiting. Let's see how that looks first before we do anything. So that's slow, all the way up to fast. So if I do a slow one, it does it. Wow, look how nice that came out. Okay, so let's turn that off there, that side. And now let's just do it fast and see what the difference is between slow and super fast. Way faster, but yeah, so there we go. So that's that end. Now I got dust all in the back of my car, but you can see, does a great job. Definitely has the power. I mean, I was pushing down a little bit on there. Aiming you guys up at me a little bit again. So yeah, I was pushing down a little bit on there, and let's see if it caught some dust in here. I mean, it got a little bit of dust in my car. But yeah, there's a little bit in there. It caught some, but it also got some here, so I wouldn't necessarily say that it's going to be the perfect sucker of dust. It's also not lined up perfectly in the bottom, but it's really nice. So it's a nice little handy one to have around, that's for sure. And it's good. It comes with everything you need to get started. You see, I was already going. So very cool. So this is it here. It is the Bielmeier, maybe. Bielmeier, and nice little handy little orbital one here. I guess you could put on like buffing pads and things like that probably too, instead of just sanding everything. But definitely cool. Love it. Thumbs up from me. Very nice. Very durable.